Install a compact hygiene station adjacent to your pantry or entry to keep clean hands convenient for a busy household. Position a dedicated small sink no more than 3 feet from the main kitchen work triangle so it becomes a natural stop when coming in with groceries or after outdoor play. Use a faucet with a pull-out spray or motion activation to speed rinsing and reduce cross-contamination. If motion activation is not preferred, pick a lever handle set slightly offset so wet hands can still operate it easily. Choose a shallow basin with a 5 to 6 inch depth to limit splashing while maintaining comfortable hand washing posture, and install a low splash backsplash made of non-porous material like glazed ceramic or stainless steel to protect adjacent cabinetry. Mount a touchless soap dispenser directly to the counter or wall at elbow height to encourage quick use, and refill it with a gentle foaming soap to reduce drying and extend bottle life. Add either a towel heater for cloth towels or a covered paper towel dispenser to keep drying options hygienic and fast, and place a hand sanitizer dispenser mount within arm reach for moments when water is not immediately needed. Route plumbing through the nearby pantry wall and include an accessible shutoff valve so maintenance is simple and you avoid major cabinet removal later. People often underplay placement and end up with the sink too far from the entry, which makes the habit fail. So pick a spot you walk past every time you come in. Another common issue is choosing a deep basin that causes splatter and wet floors, so stick to a shallow profile and a well-sealed backsplash. A third frequent problem is poor maintenance like empty soap or towel supplies. Set a weekly restock habit and install visible reservoir dispensers so refilling becomes quick and obvious. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors suited to small plumbing and millwork tasks for integrated hygiene stations, and we make it easy for contractors to find work on projects that match their skills. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople exchange design ideas, practical tips, and product recommendations.